Hello guys, today I will show you how to change your candlestick's color in TradingView. So first of all, you need to go here on the chart settings, and here on the candles tab you can change the candlestick's color. So I will begin with body color. Here on the green zone I will choose, let's say, this yellow. And here on the red zone I will choose this blue. You can change also the borders of candlesticks. So here I will choose this black, and here I will choose gray. For sure you can change the wick. The wick is this line here, so I will choose here orange and here black. So right now what we need to do, we need to save this template, because if we don't save it, the candlesticks will have the default color. So let's save it, save as, and let's name it test2. Click save and OK. Let's reload the page. As you can see, our project is saved. So if you wanted to downgrade to default color, you need to go here on the chart settings, go here on the template tab and choose apply defaults. And that's it guys. Don't forget to press OK. That's it. Hope that this video will help you, and see you next time.